Hello, this is Ramesh Sareem, and today I'll be talking about why we don't move ahead in life. Why should we choose stagnancy over moving forth? The first point and the most important is fear. Fear of the unknown. Now, fear of the unknown is like it's almost hardwired into our system. Whether it's fear of a relationship, a job idea that you'd like to propose to your boss, a new business you'd like to start. Fear of the unknown stops you from moving ahead simply because you don't know what's on the other side. Now, what is the solution to getting over fear of the unknown? The solution is, what's the worst that can happen? The simple solution. What's the worst that can happen? Your relationship may end, but it's better than stagnancy. Your business may finish. You can always start another one. You can improve another one. Your idea may be shot down by your boss. It's okay. You can keep working on it. Make it better. Present it better. Or you can go back to being the way it was. So, what's the worst that can happen is the fear of the unknown. Now, the idea that you feel would be shot down in a new business that may start. We all know of Colonel Sanders of KFC. His face is imprinted right there. And he had been working in law and different businesses, and he'd been working in different areas. And then he realized the potential of fried pressure chicken. So in 1952, he acquired the first franchise of KFC. When the restaurant closed down, at that point he went on franchising across the country, and he devoted his life to it until it became so big and so overwhelming that at the age of 73, he sold it. He sold it for $2 million. And that about right now is $16.5 million today. And yet he kept working on it because they did not want to let him go. So he passed away at the age of 93, and he started this business when he was 73. In fact, earlier. That is the power of moving ahead. What's the worst that can happen? Now, I get scared of moving ahead at times because I'm scared of the unknown. Every human being can be. However, I tell myself that fear is nothing but our anxiousness coming to doubt us. So what we can do is we can take that entire negative ball of energy. We can use torque, we can use the turning force, we can turn it around, and we can throw it back full force at our fear. I guarantee you, things will light up. You'll be clear in your vision and you will move forward. I guarantee you that 100% it will trigger your courage. Thank you. If you liked today's video, do hit the bell icon and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next time. Till next time, stand strong, be grateful, and be positive.